The mating ritual of the North American cleaning robot Roomba has been shrouded in mystery for years, and although undocumented reports suggest all the drama one might imagine in such an occurrence, the event has never before been captured on film until recently in a small condo in Middle Georgia. The circumstances all seem to be favorable for a male-female Roomba mating, or docking, as it's properly called. Now here you can see that the male bumps the female. That's about it. He heads off as if to say, sorry, I'm working, no time for docking. But his interest is logged, and he's back. It just appears to be cleaning, but you'll notice that there is some definite nudging going on. Now that was a definite clip, and another. Now soon you'll notice he'll begin to circle the female. Now this is from the female's perspective, what's going on, and he appears to be uninterested. We don't have any idea what's going on. We have some mics. The female, excuse me. It's hard to tell sometimes. The flagellum is gently stroking. We'll see in slow motion here, gently stroking the outside of the female. He's moving around towards the rear now, in preparation to mount. And if you can see, I know it's dark, but you can definitely see the surging right there. He's mounted the female, and I believe you can make out the definite thrusting motion. And soon he's, and then that's it.